Hey there guys, today's video will show you how to make Telegram bots in 2023. Are you looking for an easy way to make Telegram bots in 2023? Watch the video and stay tuned. To begin, open a Telegram app on your phone. By the way, make sure your Telegram app is up to date. Next, tap on the search option. In the search option, type in bot father. In the global search results, tap on the topmost option named bot father. With bot father, type in /start. Next, tap New Bot. Then, give the new bot a name. It will then tell you to create the bot with its new name. And there you have it. You have created a new Telegram bot for you to use. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.